I'm here to tell you how to use emojis in Linux. How to use emojis, firstly go to the software section, after that go to utilities, then go to characters. In characters you have an emoji sections where you can choose emojis and just use emojis with an ease, like I'm showing this. Like if you want to use this emoji, just click on it and just copy the character and just paste it on where you want to copy. Like I want to write it on search box, then just paste it. It will show us the emojis. So this is a simple way to use emojis in ubuntu 18.04. That's it for this video. If you love to watch these type of videos, then please subscribe my channel. Thank you.